Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to review Capitec Business Account. Today, we're diving into a full review of the Capitec Business Account in 2025, breaking down everything you need to know. Before opening one, whether you are a small business owner, freelancer, or just looking for a better business banking option, this video will walk you through the pros, cons, features, and key takeaways. So if you're considering Capitec for your business banking in 2025, make sure to watch till the end. You might be surprised by what we found. So let's get started. What is Capitec's business account? Capitec is widely known in South Africa for its low cost, customer friendly banking mercantile bank, but many people still do not realize they offer a dedicated business banking option through their partnership with Mercantile Bank, which they own. So the Capitec business account is essentially a mercantile business account branded under the Capitec umbrella, but it is still benefits from Capitec's growing ecosystem. This means you are getting access to business banking services like multiple user access, business debit cards, bulk payments, and more, all while backed by Capitec's reputation for simplicity and affordability. Pros of Capitec business account. Let's talk about the pros, because there are quite few reasons why Capitec's business stands out in 2025. Number one, low monthly fees. Capitec is known for affordability, and the business account continues that tradition. There are no hidden fees, and the pricing structure is transparent and competitive, especially when compared to traditional banks. Number two, digital first experience. Most of your business banking can be done via the Capitec business banking app or online portal. It's user friendly and supports real time payments, statement downloads, and bulk transactions. Multi user access. You can allow your accountant or business partner to access the account with specific permissions, something that not all business accounts offer at this price point. Seamless integration with Capitec Personal. If you already use Capitec personally, having both accounts under one roof is convenient and simplifies your financial life. Reliable customer support. Unlike many traditional banks that are slow and bureaucratic, Capitec's business team has a reputation for being more responsive, especially if you are just getting started. Cons of Capitec business account. Not ideal for larger businesses. If you are running a medium to large businesses with complex cash flow or international transactions, Capitec might feel a bit limited. Their infrastructure is still catching up to the big banks in terms of advanced business tools, limited integration with accounting tools, while it supports statement downloads. Integration with platforms like Xero, QuickBooks, or Sage is still not as seamless as some competitors. No business credit cards yet. As of 2025, Capitec still doesn't offer business credit cards, which can be a deal breaker for businesses relying on short-term credit. Application process can be slow. While the process is straightforward, it is not entirely digital, specifically for companies with complex structures or multiple directors. Expect to be contracted and ask it for additional documentation. Now, who is it best for? So, who is Capitec Business Account perfect for? Number one, freelancers and solo proprietors. You will benefit from low fees and a clean, simple dashboard. Startups and small businesses. If you are just getting started, Capitec gives you the basics without overwhelming you. Existing Capitec users. If you are already part of the Capitec ecosystem, it makes perfect sense to keep things in one place. But if your business deals with foreign currency, heavy payroll, or requires deep accounting integration, you might want to consider other options, or at least use Capitec as a secondary account. Final verdict. The Capitec business account in 2025 is solid, affordable, and convenient for small businesses and freelancers. It covers all the basics, and then some, with a clean digital first approach that is easy to use. However, for businesses needing advanced features, credit facilities, or full service business banking, it might not tick every box, at least not yet. Still, with Capitec's steady growth and tech upgrades, we wouldn't be surprised if this account gets even more powerful in the next year or two. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.